Top 10 Classic Aircraft in Aviation History. Wright Flyer, 1903, the first successful powered airplane by the Wright brothers. Douglas DC-3, 1936, known as the plane that changed the world of commercial aviation. Boeing 707, 1958, the first successful commercial jetliner, started the jet age. Concorde, 1969 to 2003, the supersonic passenger jet, fastest commercial airliner ever. Lockheed State Route 71 Blackbird, 1964, a spy plane that still holds the speed record. Mach 3 plus. Boeing 747, Jumbo Jet, 1970, revolutionized long-haul international travel. Supermarine Spitfire, 1938, iconic British fighter of World War II. McDonnell Douglas F-4 Phantom II, 1960s, a legendary Cold War fighter jet. Cessna 172, 1956-present, the world's most produced aircraft, the classic training plane. Airbus A380, 2005, the world's largest passenger airliner, a modern icon.